severe weather alert day here in East Texas. Meteorologist Andrew Sammett's been tracking it all since earlier in this week. Andrew, the day's finally here. What can we expect out of it all?
All right, so the severe weather threat's going to ramp up later on this afternoon. Let's take a look at what we have right now across East Texas. We've got a lot of clouds, but we also have some breaks in the clouds. Northern Smith County, southern Wood County as well. Also portions of Henderson and Anderson County now seeing some of that sunshine out there. That's something that we do not want to see. We want these clouds to stick around as much as possible because they help limit the instability overall. Now, even if you have been cloudy all morning long, there's still going to be that threat of severe weather, but any cloud cover helps. Temperature right now in the low to middle 70s out there, 75 in Mineola and Tyler, 73 in Athens, 73 for Nacogdoches, 76 degrees in Lufkin. Again, the main window for severe weather today is between 2 p.m. this afternoon till about midnight tonight. Damaging straight line wind gusts continue to be the primary concern for us. Winds could gust as high as 75 to 80 miles per hour within the strongest thunderstorms. Again, that continues to be the main concern and the most likely type of severe weather that we will see. But tornadoes and large hail also cannot be entirely ruled out, and in fact some significant tornadoes as well, EF2 or stronger, and then large hail potentially up to 2 inches in diameter, which is about twice the size of a quarter. Flash flooding also cannot be ruled out, primarily in our I-30 counties. Again, the chance for a significant tornado has shifted a little bit to the north. That's certainly some good news, but still we still have that threat for Longview, Tyler, Athens, up towards Mineola and Sulphur Springs as well. Mount Vernon, Pittsburgh, all included within that, even as far south as Jacksonville and Carthage. Can't rule out a tornado that's EF2 or stronger. That's what we mean by significant. And in terms of significant hail, 2-inch diameter hail or greater looks to be in this primarily purple area, which is nearly in line with the greatest tornado threat as well, but does extend a little bit farther south to include central Cherokee County over into Palestine, Henderson, and Marshall as well, underneath that threat of potentially some very large hail, which can do a lot of damage. And then again, we do have that threat for significant wind, which we looked at earlier in the show. In terms of the overall timing for the storms, look between 3 o'clock and 8 o'clock in the evening for places like Athens, Palestine, down to Chandler, and also up towards Mineola and Sulphur Springs. Between 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. for Longview, Gilmer, Mount Pleasant, to Tyler, Jacksonville, Lufkin, Rusk, and Groveton. And then between 8 p.m. and 12 a.m. for places like Carthage, Center, Etoile, Zavala, St. Augustine, and in Hemphill. Again, that's just a general timing. I definitely want to be prepared all afternoon long for any potential severe weather, because Futurecast does indicate the potential is there for some supercells to develop a little bit earlier than that timing that you just saw there on the screen, but we'll definitely keep an eye on it. But the worst activity is going to be developing over in the DFW area, and we'll be tracking that as it makes its way eastward, and it can form a pretty nasty line of thunderstorms as we head towards the evening hours. It's this line of storms which will have the greatest potential for that damaging straight line wind gusts in excess of 75 miles per hour, and that line will push through the area heading into your Thursday evening, and then finally get out of here between 10 p.m. and midnight tonight, and then we'll be left with a much colder day for our Friday. To recap though, today strong to severe thunderstorms expected with highs in the upper 70s and a few low 80s out there. It will be very windy today, even outside of any thunderstorms, and tonight as well. Strong to severe thunderstorm threat ends around midnight. Temperatures turn a lot colder behind the cold front. And as we take a look at your 7-day forecast, we will start to warm back up for Saturday and Sunday, back into the upper 70s and low 80s for next week, with more showers returning Tuesday and Wednesday. And then for deep East Texas, it's more of the same. Stay weather aware late this afternoon into the overnight hours. And for your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website. That is KETK.com.